very pertinent question, and I must say that because ultimately I strongly feel that whatever you have learned and earned over a period of time through experience and expertise, you must share it. You must contribute to the younger generations, and I think that is the biggest contribution you can have to the younger generations. So, personally, I feel there are four things are important. Agreed that you have had your education from a very good institutions, fine. But institutions cannot give everything. What is important that you must make an effort to practice the profession with any good architect, so that during the time of your education you take out time and do part job in their organizations, which most of the students they don't. Secondly, one should be very observant. Go to various places, do the registrations, observe things. You go to mall, you go to shops, you go to restaurant, you go to residences, you go to various places. Make it a habit that you fall in love with the designs, and so that you register those designs and study those designs with great interest and love, so that in times to come you can recall those designs as a part of your dictionary in your mind. Thirdly, I feel very strongly that the construction, designing, detailing, everything put together cannot be complete unless you have the art to how to get it done. You have the art, you have the knowledge, you have the expertise to get it executed. So it's very important that wherever you get an opportunity, maybe the construction site, maybe the interior working site, just barge in, just go there without any inhibitions. This has to be an impetus for everyone to really learn from the reality, from the carpenter, from the painter, from the contractor, from the masons, from the person who is doing the loha wala, so that you go to the site and try to understand, try to watch and study. I personally feel this is one thing is very important, but at the same time मैं ये बात जरूर बताना चाहूँगा कि काम आना चाहिए और काम आना चाहिए। इसका मतलब सिंपल है, आपको काम आना चाहिए। You should know, you should be expert, you should be knowledgeable in your profession, whatever you are in. At the same time, if you know lots of things, but if you don't get any project, what is the point? So काम भी आना चाहिए. So you should make yourself so capable that काम भी आए.
That's a wonderful statement.